Hello, my lovelies, and welcome to my show. I'm Samantha Izzy, and today we're going to be doing the 4th of July makeup look. So, what we're first going to start with is, well, my eyebrows. I like starting with my eyebrows. I'm going to take this Ulta Sculpting Brow Pencil in medium brown. We're going to go for that first to kind of fill in these sparse eyebrows. Yeah, that's good enough. Let's see. And then next, we're gonna go into, I guess I should prep the rest of my face with the aloe vera. No, it's Mario Badescu, or however you say it, skincare facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. I should have done this before my eyebrows, but it's okay. It's fine. I use that every day. I don't know why. My friend Kinsey introduced it to me, and it just feels really good. And my skin's looked prettier since I started using it, so I'm going to continue to. Okay, let that finish drying for a bit. Okay, next I'm going to take this Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation in Porcelain, because I'm still very fair this summer. We're going to just kind of put that all over. Just going to do it directly on, because who cares? Honestly, and if I was going straight outside right now, I'd also lather on the sunscreen, hence my skin tone. I really need to, but since it's rainy today, I'm not going to worry about the sunscreen, even though technically you should always be wearing sunscreen, but that is something I have a hard time with still. Gotta make sure that you put it down to your neck, in the hairline, or else you're gonna walk out one day and look like you're just wearing a mask, which I'm sure we've all at some point done that. I know I have. It's always horrifying to find out halfway through the day when you pull down your mirror in your car and you see that you didn't blend at all. Okay. For the most part, I think I blended that well enough. At least from what I can tell. Kind of brushed my eyebrows in the middle of that too. Maybe I'll have to fix them again later. But now that we've done that, I'm going to take some of this CoverGirl just clean matte concealer. Who knows what color it is. Super light, but put that on my chin where I have a few little dots from when I did have acne, which was a few days ago, but of course, the hyperpigmentation afterwards stays around for a while. And then just kind of brighten up certain areas that I have dark circles. A bit there. Okie dokie. Looking ghosty. All right, now what do I want to work with? I think I'll just start on my eyes. So I finally gave in and got the James Charles Morphe Palette. I'm so excited to use it. It's so colorful. Unleash your inner artist. See? Taking that off. First time using it. It's so colorful. So many possibilities of fun. But today we are going with the red, white, and blue. Let's see what we're going to dive into. I think first I should put down some white. Just because we're going to be putting a lot of color on my eyelid. And I really want the color to pop. I don't really think I'm going to go above the crease right now. Ooh, there's so many blues. Which one was this one? This one is Brother. I'm going to take Brother. And apply that. Well, that's pretty. It's definitely certainly bright. But am I gonna make it look the way I want it to? I have no idea. But we'll just do the same thing on the other side and see where it goes. Okay, we kind of fixed that under eye there. It's not looking quite as scary. Let's see, what do I want to do next? I think I'm going to take this lighter blue. I think I'm going to take some Hello. Kind of play with that. It's kind of a lighter blue, a little shimmery. I'm going to take more of that Brother and kind of accent. We're just layering those blues. Well, next, I think I'll take my black eyeliner. Black liquid CoverGirl eyeliner. And I always mess up on this part, so bear with me. We'll see if I can do a decent job today. We're pretty close there. It's not the worst I've done. Not the best, not the worst. I'll let that dry for a bit. Oh, blue eyeshadow. No wonder my mom always made me stay away from you. She just had a feeling that I was gonna make a mess. Well, let's clean up those eyebrows a little bit. Since I put foundation on top of them after I did it, they kind of look like weak sauce now. Okay, now I want to curl my eyelashes. And don't judge me, this is my dollar store eyelash curler. It's been with me for years. Done with that. I think I'm gonna put some sparkle. I got this LA Girl sparkles. And they're just like white sparkles. I'm gonna throw that on there. Use a new brush. Let's see how well this will stick. I probably need to put a little bit of concealer, just a dab. Kind of stick it on there. Some nice sparkles. Ooh, I love sparkles. Just please don't go in my eyeballs. Ooh, I really like these. That is super fun. Alrighty then, I'm gonna put on some mascara now. So I have the Maybelline Colossal. I'm very particular on my mascara. Shadows might right now make it hard to tell if it's even or not. I think we're good. I think so. Let's dry a little bit. Now let's put some color back into the rest of my face. All right. I'm gonna take this BH Cosmetics Glowing in Grease. I think I'm gonna take this Peros blush color, middle one. Gonna add some color to my face. It's really pretty. I haven't used this one yet either. Okay. Now we're gonna go to just my Revolution Mega Bronzer. It's in one, cool. Just gonna use that same brush. Kind of give myself some dimension again on my face. I'm not really too big on contour, probably because I've never been that good at it, but just do a little bit for the cheekbones. I'll go back to this BH Cosmetics Glowing in Grease and go with this. I have this Olympia shimmery highlighter. I'll just put a little bit on my cheekbones. Oh, that's pretty. Just put it there on my nose, my lip a little bit, because I see them do that. Now let's go to lips. Okay, I've had this red liner forever, and I can't really tell what it is anymore. It says Palladio. I don't know, but I always need to line my lips before I put lipstick on, or else it's a mess. Okay, next I will take this butter lipstick from NYX and put that everywhere. Well, that's definitely red, white, and blue. Oh my goodness, that is so bright. Okay, that highlighter has calmed down a bit, and I'm going to blot this lipstick a little bit so it stops moving. And there, we have the final look. 4th of July makeup. Now go have some watermelon and have some drinks and enjoy fireworks.